Hi, I'm Elder Yehuda, the owner of Organic's Best Urban Gardener, a popular YouTube channel that teaches people how to grow their own food, becoming self-sufficient and therefore self-sustained. I teach people how to grow food in the ground or in a contained space, large backyard or a small balcony. Either way, my entire mission here is to teach you the importance of providing for yourself, thereby being a producer. Now, we all know too well that it's quick and easy to go to your local nursery and purchase fertilizers and all sorts of amendments to grow your own food. I'm going to teach you a way around that, because the way I'm going to teach you is the way it should have been since the beginning. So we're going to go back to the basics of soil. I like to call it the soul of the ground, the soul of the garden. When we learn that fertility is very important, and in most parts of the USA, the fertility has been lost simply because of the destruction of man. Man has caused and wreaked havoc on our lands. So it's up to us. It's up to us to put that nutrition back into the soil. I'm going to show you how to do it and why you should be doing it. And when you find that it's simple as ABC, well, you'll be okay with starting off with 1, 2, 3. It's quite easy. So are you folks ready? Well, I want to welcome all of you to Gardening 101. This is going to be a great series, because by the time I'm done with you, you can initially call yourself a master gardener. I can honestly say I look forward to you claiming that, because I'm a master gardener. So you have one teaching you. Until next time, stay tuned for part 2, and I'll be releasing videos every Monday and every Thursday here on my Patreon. Until then, take care of yourselves.